Hey guys, Mike here, Russ Darrow Mitsubishi. It's that time of the year where things start getting cold, so just make sure you have all the accessories and packages that you need. This is a Mitsubishi Outlander PHEV 2024. You've got several amenities as far as it comes to climate control. You've got dual climate control here, as well as heated seats in this one. You can also get remote start through the Mitsubishi Connect app, which will go ahead and start the vehicle for you. You can set your temperature control, everything like that. So when you get in here, it's nice and toasty. As far as safety features go on this car, for the winter times, things get dangerous. You've got blind spot monitoring, forward collision warning, backup sensors, a 360 bird's eye view camera, front sensors, and LED headlights and fog lights. You'll be able to see in the nighttime and everything. If you guys are interested in taking a look at this particular one, give us a call at 262-506-3150. And nonetheless, if you want to look at any of the other options that we have here, please feel free and reach out. We'd be happy to go over any options you may need or want, okay? Thank you guys very much. Once again, this is Mike.